think about contributing to your local food pantries and food banks. Remember, with schools out, a lot of food challenge families depend on those breakfast and lunch meals for their kids to get at least 2 of their meals a day. And with schools being out, some school districts are not providing any of those meals for kids. I know some schools are opening for drive-by for the kids and things like that, but it's important to support those who are really in need right now, and it's a lot of folks who need food. All right, what we're going to do now is move into another great item from Temp-tations. This is clearance priced, and this is Terra's 6-piece baker set with a cookbook, and this is tasty and tempting recipes. And we've sold over 22,000 of these baker kits with this cookbook at this price. Gorgeous recipes inside, 75 in total, all designed to work in these bakers as well as any other baker you may have. And this is a unique shape. This is called the squoval. So it's a square and an oval. So in this pack up, you're going to receive a 4-quart squoval baker. So let's go ahead and break this apart. This is your 4-quart squoval baker. The 4-quart is the same size as a 9x13 in terms of capacity. So this is a 4-quart squoval. You also have a deep dish squoval liddet that you can bake on, serve on, cut on, whatever you need to do. That fits with the baker into a wire rack. Here's something that Terra had never made before this set, a divided squoval liddet. So if she wanted to put 3 things in the oven at the same time, because this is a baking piece as well, she could do that. And if things had sauces or liquid, they wouldn't mingle with the other things that she was baking or serving, because you can also use this as a serving container. You get 2 of the ramekins, and these ramekins are each 12 ounces, 75 recipes, and your plastic snap-on storage covers. All this comes your way at a remarkable clearance price. Now, it's important for you to know that ordinarily at retail, this pack up would be $104.04. We're going to save you $59.08 today. So you're saving more than you're spending, and we're going to get this 6-piece baker set with the cookbook out to you so you can begin breaking it in right away with all the cooking we're doing. Now, we've got a lot of color choices for you to choose from. This is the red in floral lace. Then we've got cranberry in floral lace, green in floral lace, eggplant, light blue, some might call it Carolina blue, I know I would. This one is the black. Here's spice. Say it with me, chocolate. Chocolate's our most limited. And then we have this pattern for the holidays called festive, and it's got the red and green on the inside. Now we're much more limited in Old World all the way around. This is your Old World red, 4 dozen. This is Old World cranberry, $5.50. Here's eggplant, $3.50. Here's black, $300. Here's my color, brown, 4 dozen. And finally, poinsettia, only $1,800 to go around. This is a remarkable set because of its capacity, because of its serving and baking and cooking opportunities. And you're also going to enjoy the fact that all this comes to you at a really great clearance price. Now, Terra is retiring this set, not the squoval, just this set. So when this quantity is gone and all of our color choices, this item will go the way of the wind. Now, will she do more squovals? Absolutely. But this particular set doesn't come back. This set also includes her cookbook with 75 gorgeous recipes uniquely designed for this baking system. How about Sunday night meatloaf and veggies? Oh, I love a good meatloaf. I love it the next day too. And I like it when you can make it half homemade with some supermarket shortcuts, because you can buy the meatloaf mix in the market. It has the, the veal and the pork and the ground beef. So all that coming together. Now we've got something in the oven, and I believe it's Terra's mac and cheese, is that right? The Yankee Doodle mac and cheese. So let's get into the oven. I've also got her oven gloves here. Not that oven, this oven. Oh, this is the mac and cheese that's topped with the butter crackers. Yum. That looks great, doesn't it? Whew, I know a lot of you are probably doing some cooking for Easter, and that probably includes mac and cheese. Mac and cheese, mac and cheese, mac and cheese, if you're playing bingo. All right. Oh, you know what this is? That's a David-sized portion right there. Also playing bingo. Yep, bang. So all that comes together for you. And you know, the only thing that would probably make that better is if you added some bacon. Also a bingo clue. I'm busting them all out, Jameer. We've only got 20 minutes left. Got to get them all out now. Look, we did the divided lid here, and this is interesting. If you're building your own caprese, which is what this is, you've got your basil, your tomato, and your mozzarella. And what's really great about this is that mozzarella is mostly water, right? There's a lot of liquid in there. It's not mingling with the tomato, and it's not busting in on the basil, right? So you can do a beautiful build your own here. All this comes together for you at a great price, great savings, over $59 less, and it is retiring. So when this is gone, it's gone for good. Get your color choice and your pattern while the getting is good. All right, this is K49077. Now we're going to make our way back over this way because we've got some California innovations to talk to you about. And I'll take that sanitizing wipe because you know I'm sanitizing my hands in between every presentation. That's also a bingo clue. Sean, have I missed any?